DAO. The next DAOs are changing our views on governance in the blockchain world. They are also changing how we collaborate. They affect how we make decisions. DAOs use blockchain technology. They have no central leadership. Stakeholders can take part in decision-making through a democratic process. Many see DAOs as the future of decentralized governance. What is a DAO? A DAO is an organization. A computer program codes its rules. The members control it, with no central authority. Unlike traditional companies, DAOs use smart contracts to run them. These are self-executing contracts. How do DAOs? Smart contracts. The backbone of a DAO is its smart contract. These are programmed on a blockchain, e.g., Ethereum, and contain all the rules and operations of the DAO token-based voting. DAO members usually hold tokens. They represent their stake in the organization. These tokens often come with voting rights, allowing holders to influence decisions. Benefits of DAOs: decentralized decision-making. DAOs democratize decision-making, giving stakeholders a direct voice in organizational changes. This model can reduce the risks of centralized power and corruption. Community-centric. DAOs align with their community's interests. They make decisions by voting. This cultivates a feeling of accountability and ownership among the participants. The future of DAOs: DAO adoption in traditional organizations. Traditional companies may adopt DAO-like structures. They aim to boost transparency and engage stakeholders. DAO tooling evolution. As DAOs gain popularity, their tools will improve. Projects like Aragon, Colony, and DAO Stack are building frameworks to streamline DAOs. In conclusion, DAOs are a groundbreaking shift in how to structure and govern organizations. They offer a decentralized, transparent, and community-driven alternative to traditional models. DAOs can foster democratic decision-making and remove intermediaries. Their potential benefits are great, but they face challenges, like regulatory uncertainty and security concerns.